To live in Onitsha is to live in motion. On the eastern bank of the River Niger lies Onitsha, a city that never sleeps. Known as the commercial heartbeat of Nigeria, Onitsha is not just important in the southeast, it is a critical economic hub for the entire West African region. At the center of Onitsha's strength is commerce. The legendary Onitsha Main Market is the largest open-air market in West Africa. Here, goods arrive from Lagos ports and distributed across Nigeria and exported into West Africa. From textiles to electronics to motor parts and agricultural produce, Onitsha connects buyers and sellers from across the continent. This ecosystem sustains millions of jobs and makes Onitsha one of the most influential economic cities in West Africa. Onitsha's strategic location is one of its greatest advantages. Sitting on the River Niger and connected by the iconic Niger Bridge, the city is a natural gateway linking the eastern region to western and northern Nigeria. Its roads and waterways makes it a central distribution path for commerce across the region. Beyond business, Onitsha is a city of energy and resilience. Life here is fast-paced, dynamic and full of opportunities. Street food joints, nightlife spots and entertainment centers reflects the city's vibrant lifestyle. The city is also known for its cuisine, unique Igbo delicacies that fuel its hard-working population. Onitsha is not only about trade, it is also about heritage. The Obi of Onitsha stands as the custodian of tradition, and the Ofala Festival is one of Nigeria's most colorful cultural celebrations. This balance of deep traditional and modern commerce makes Onitsha truly unique. Today, Onitsha drives economic activities that reaches far beyond its borders. Traders from Niger, Chad, Cameroon, Togo, Benin, Gabon, Gambia, Equatorial Guinea, Ghana, among others, all depend on goods and opportunities flowing through the city of Onitsha. Banks, industries, and entrepreneurs thrive here because Onitsha is more than just a market. It is an engine of growth for Nigeria and West Africa at large. New generations are transforming this commercial spirit into industries, tech businesses, and modern enterprise, ensuring that Onitsha remains relevant for decades to come. But what truly makes Onitsha great is its people, resilient, hardworking, and innovative. From dawn to dusk, their energy fuels the heartbeat of a city that welcomes all and gives opportunity to those willing to seize them. Onitsha is more than just a city. It is a force, a place where commerce meets culture, where history meets modernity, and where Nigeria connects to West Africa. This is Onitsha, the pride of the Niger, the engine of trade, and the future of African commerce. Have you been to the city of Onitsha before? If yes, what was your experience like? And if not, what are you waiting for? It is time for you to visit and explore the commercial heartbeat of the Niger, Onitsha, the commercial capital of Anambra State, southeast Nigeria.